Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to turn off the visual editor when writing on WordPress.com. In this tutorial, we will walk through each action you need to take so that you can disable the visual editor. This is especially useful if you prefer to work with raw HTML or if you find that the visual interface interferes with some of your formatting options. We will begin at the very beginning and proceed through every step. First, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Take a moment to ensure that you have a stable internet connection so the site loads without interruptions. Once you see the WordPress homepage displayed on your screen, direct your focus toward the upper right corner. There, you will notice a login option. When you find this login button, click it without delay. After clicking the login option, you will be guided to a new screen where you can access your account. Instead of entering a username and password manually, you have the option to simplify the process by clicking the button that says Continue with Google. This button is designed to expedite your login process by letting you choose the Google account you wish to use. Simply click on the button and a list of accounts will appear on your device. Carefully select the appropriate account that is linked with your WordPress profile. Once you have successfully logged in, the next part of the process is to navigate to the section where you can modify your user settings. Begin this process by going to the area that manages user information. Usually you will find this section by looking for a menu item or a direct link labeled with something related to users or profiles. Once you have located this section, click on it to reveal additional settings related to your account details. At this point, you should now arrive at the user profile area. It is here that you will find several settings that govern your experience on the platform. Within the profile page, look for the section that is associated with the visual editor. This section is specifically designed to manage the editor preferences. It might be labeled as visual editor or similar. Once you identify the relevant area, click on it to access its options. Within the visual editor settings, you will see an option that allows you to disable the editor while writing. Carefully read the description that accompanies this option. To disable the visual editor, simply check the box that states disable the visual editor when writing. By checking this box, you are instructing WordPress.com not to load the visual interface when you are composing posts or pages. This gives you direct access to the code editor for a more hands-on approach to content creation. Before you conclude the procedure, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the Update Profile button. Once you have confirmed that the box has been checked, click on the Update Profile button to save your changes. This final click ensures that your new settings are stored securely on your account. With these settings saved, every time you create or edit content, the platform will launch in the code editor mode instead of the visual editor. Thank you for following along with this detailed guide on disabling the visual editor in WordPress.com. By following these steps carefully, you now have greater control over your writing environment, allowing you to focus on the technical aspects of code if that is your preference. Enjoy exploring the new setup and happy editing.